Hello, welcome to our first mini lab. Today we are going to create our first Java application. And first, please prepare an empty folder. For me, I create a Java Online, and you can create a folder with any name. And after that, so please double click the IntelliJ. I hope that you have all installed it already. So double click and wait the system to launch it. Okay, it takes some time. So now in the IntelliJ, please follow me. Please click the new project, left click. And then we are going to create our first project, and we give this project a name that is the week 01, as we can see here. Okay, week 01, we are going to create on this path, F GitHub CUNY Online. Okay, this is my path. For you, I don't know where is your folder is located, so you can click this icon and search in the menu bar until you reach this folder you just created. Okay, and click the select folder, and that's done. So next, you have to select your JDK. I hope you already installed it in your system per the instructions in the week 0. If not, you can click the menu bar here and then download Oracle JDK, maybe some other versions using this one. I'm not sure. So you can select an old version, which is 21st. I am using. So usually we select the, let me check. Okay, usually we select the Oracle one, but here the Microsoft also provide an open JDK, so let's try this one. Oh, other versions, Oracle JDK, but it is 26. All right, let's make it the Oracle this one. And then the location, you can set it as default and select it. And then you will take some time to download it. Once done, and you can just leave it as what it is. And after that, you can click the create button here. And let's wait for some time. Okay. And we will have our first project here, created by our IntelliJ. As you can see, once we reach to this page, and here in our folder, the IntelliJ created the week 0 folder for us automatically. We don't create the week 01 folder by ourselves, right? We just give it give the project name as the week 0, and then we have it. After that, we will going to write our first application code. So please select the SRC, which referring to the source code, and please right click and then left click and left click the Java class. That means we are going to new a Java class file. Here we give it a name, welcome. Dot. So now we will have our first Java class. And let's click in our Explorer. And we also have a SRC folder, right? This one is equal to this one. So let's check whether there is a welcome file there. Awesome. As we can see here, there is a welcome in the IntelliJ, and we also have one in our Explorer. So that means the IntelliJ will create the folder and the project structure for us automatically. So we do not need to do the things automatically manually by ourselves, using the mouse to click create each file, the folder, and the source code. What we have to do is just running everything in the IntelliJ. All right, so let's write some code here. Please move your mouse at the end of the left braces, okay? And then press enter, so it will create a new line for you. In the second line, let's press something. We should write our main method. Currently, you are not required to know what is the main method. What you have to do is just follow me. Let's make the first application running. So here, let's put PSVM here. So once you put the PSVM, it will give you a prompt to indicating that it is a main method declaration. And then double click, and the IntelliJ will create the main method for you. We will explain each word in our later chapters, but however, you just need to follow me to make the code run. So here, let's write our print text statement, SOUT, SOUT. As you can see, once we print SOUT, it will indicate that prints a string to system.out. So let's double click. And then the cursor is located in the parentheses. After that, let's input the double quote here and write something there. Welcome to Java programming. Awesome. And that is our first line of code. And we can click the green triangle button. Let's run. So let's see what happened here. Oh, as we can see here, we say this area is our command line area, command prompt. So once we run this program, if we are going to print something, the content will be printed in the command line here. So it is the welcome to Java programming. What if I want to print something else? Okay, let's copy this line of code. All right, there's might be some problem. Let me copy it again. Control C and Control V. So let me write my name here. I am function. So let me run it again. Oh, I use the debug mode. Sorry, but it is also running. Let me using the normal mode. Okay, awesome. Welcome to Java programming, and I am Chufeng Jiang. And that is your first application. In your homework, you are going to write the same thing following this demo, and please replace my name as yours. And after that, please have a snapshot and upload it to the Brightspace. And later, I will introduce the second method to create our Java application.